Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now from the title you already know what type of video this is. This is another wig installation video. This is a styling and installation video. Now this video is sponsored by Elemo hair. They sent me their 20-inch lace closure wig. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig in a 20 inch. This was a straight textured hair, but I went ahead and I did some beach wave / curls in it. And basically the beach curls are how you do beach curls or waves. It's pretty much just curling your hair as all you would have normally curled it, but leaving the ends straight. So that's the effect of a beach wave / curl type of vibe. So that's what I'll be going for today. But you know, before all of that, I just wanted to shout out today's sponsor. So thank you Elemo hair for sponsoring this video, and let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so basically for the beach wave curl, so what I did was I pretty much just curled the hair with my, I think this is 1.5 inch curling barrel, and I just leave the ends straight. Also, the direction that I curl in is, I curled in 2 different directions. So if like one section I'll curl as if I'm flipping, and then the other part then I'll curl as if I'm curling under. So every other section that I'm curling, I do the opposite. So if I flipped one, then I go ahead and curled under the next, and then if I curl under the next, and the next one I curl as if I was flipping the hair. But yeah, it's basically just doing every other direction on every other doing a different direction on every section, and also leaving the ends of the hair straight. That's pretty much what the beachy waves type of curl is. I've never actually done it before. This is my first time doing it, so if it doesn't come out the way it actually is supposed to, then it's not really my fault, because like I don't really know how to do it. I was just trying something. I'm not really good at curling. I've said this many times. I'm not really good at curling. I rather just like crimping is fine for me. Straightening is fine. I mean, everybody can. Oh, not my hands being so ashy though. Oh my god. But yeah, I could curl like with one curl, but to get like a voluminous curl and like a beachy wave, it's kind of more on the difficult side for me, but I'm still learning. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch as I finish curling this hair, and then I will come back when it's time to do the installation. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me in their little goodie bag that they have. So they sent me this pouch with some lashes. They also sent me, I think this is like a makeup thing, probably to apply. I don't know, it looks like a makeup sponge with their name on it. They sent me this strap to go in the back of the wig, and they sent me some stocking cap, but I already have one on my head, which I should have probably used this one because it's closer to my skin tone than this, but it is what it is. And their card with their social media handles, and yeah, that's pretty much what they sent me in the package. Now for today's install, I don't think I'm going to be using any glue because this can be a glueless install as well, but I won't be I'm gonna apply like a little bit of got to be on it, and like the gel and the got to be, just because I won't be keeping it on that long, and I don't think it's really necessary to do the glue, so I won't be using any glue for this install. And also another reason is because a lot of persons, not everybody like the glue on their hair, like they don't like using glue all the time. So because I want to kind of compensate both glue lovers and non-glue lovers, I'm trying to do like some glue, some glueless, or slash got to be gel, or if I find another product that's not really glue but works like a glue, then I'll start using that. But yeah, no glue for this install. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be putting on some concealer on my cap. I'm still trying to figure out like which one of these concealers are actually the best for my skin thing, but I think it's probably Cool Tan. I don't know, I tried mixing Cool Tan with Creamy Beige the last time. Yeah, Cool Tan with Creamy Beige kind of almost worked for me, so I'm gonna try mixing that together again. So I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and this one, and I'm mixing Cool Tan with Creamy Beige for those of you who probably did not hear what I just said, but yeah. And when I say I'm mixing them, I'm literally just putting it on a piece of thing. This is so ghetto, but like, who cares? Mixing both, because one's too light, and then I think the next one is like literally my shade, but I don't know. I'm just gonna mix both. So when I mix them, this is the shade that I get. I'm gonna put that on my stocking cap. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. Yeah, right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out these combs because they're going to annoy me. So I'm gonna take out the ones in the side. I can leave. They did send me some straps that I could attach to the wig, but nah, I won't be attaching it. Right now I'm gonna be going in with my even tinted lace spray, and I'll be spraying this on the lace. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little beginner friendly install. It was not like a hard install. I didn't use glue. I did not do my ball cap method or anything. Like, I wanted to keep it very beginner friendly, just as how I would probably install my wig if I was just learning to install it. But yeah, I love these beach curls, and the fact that this hair kept the curls, like, yeah, because I was doing a whole lot of stuff just now, like, and it's still okay. But yeah, once again, I would like to thank Elemo, yeah, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will definitely see you guys in my next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Head on over. Oh, also go over to my Instagram to see how I paired this little mini, it's like a beach set type of thing. Yeah, I got it from Lovely Wholesale. So if you guys want to see how what I wore with this hair, then head on over to my Instagram. But for now, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.